In this video, we will see how to fix your iPhone flashlight not working properly. If your iPhone flashlight not working properly, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and look for battery option. Tap on it and here disable low power mode. If you have enabled low power mode, then first and check whether your low flashlight working properly or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to your camera and here from the top left corner you will see your flashlight. Simply turn it off and turn it on 2 to 3 times. Flashlight off and wait for some times, and after that turn it on again and check whether your iPhone flashlight working properly or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Close the camera app and swipe down your to appear actions of your iPhone. From the top right corner, swipe down and here you will find flashlight. Tap and hold and here you will see 3 rectangular space available. Simply drag and set it as 2 to 3. And after that, check whether your iPhone flashlight working properly or not. If not, go to the one more fixes. Go to settings of your iPhone. Tap on settings and here tap on control center and here under included controls against flashlight you will see a red color minus sign. All and more controls also available. So first tap on minus sign against flashlight under included controls and tap on remove. Tap on remove. Thereafter scroll down and go to the more control section and here you will find a plus sign against flashlight. Simply tap on plus sign. It will again included in included controls and check whether your iPhone flashlight working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Tap on settings of your iPhone. Here tap on general settings. Here tap on software update and if any update available, simply download and install it. Update your iPhone with latest iOS update and check whether your iPhone flashlight working or not. If not, reset all settings. Tap on settings again. Tap on general settings. Here tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset again and choose reset all settings. Unlock your iPhone and again tap on reset all settings and check whether your iPhone flashlight working properly or not. If not, hard reset your iPhone. Volume up button, volume down button Conjointly press with home button and volume up button. Unlock until Apple logo appear on your screen. After hard reset your iPhone, check your iPhone flashlight